I tried Tokenary wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Tokenary wallet app, I expected another simple crypto storage tool. But after a week of use, the shocking truth is that Tokenary is one of the most elegant and privacy-focused wallets I've tried, especially for Apple users. On day 1, setup was a breeze. Tokenary doesn't even require registration, no emails, no personal info, no cloud backups. Most people get this wrong, but privacy-first apps like this show that you don't need to give up personal data just to secure your crypto. By day 2, I connected it to my Mac and iPhone. The seamless sync between devices using Apple's secure ecosystem was impressive. Every transaction I made popped up instantly, and face it verification gave me peace of mind with every send. By day 4, I started using Tokenary for daily transfers. The speed and clarity of the interface were unmatched, clean, minimal, and distraction-free. The app supports major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and popular ERC20 tokens, making it perfect for everyday use. By day 6, I realized what truly makes Tokenary special: simplicity without compromise. There is no overcomplicated jargon, no endless features to get lost in, just pure function and security. It's ideal for users who value privacy, simplicity, and a smooth Apple native experience. By day 7, the shocking truth hit me: Tokenary isn't trying to be the most powerful wallet. It's trying to be the most effortless. And in a world where crypto apps can feel intimidating, that's a bold move. If you want a wallet that respects your privacy, feels beautiful to use, and just works, Tokenary delivers exactly that. It's clean, safe, and perfect for anyone who values elegance and ease.